Here we have a Mastery Connect report card. The circle graph shows how many of the standards this child has met, not what grade they have. In the first example, you see it says 88%. That does not mean this student has a B. It just means that they have completed 88% of the standards that they've been assessed on with proficiency. There is no grade equivalent in Mastery Connect. There are 4 levels of proficiency. You can see 1 is shown in red, 2 yellow, 3 proficient, which is what we have students aim for, that's green, and 4 with distinction is blue. The red level is the one that you want to watch out for the most. This is pretty much students that are not turning in their work, or the work is of such poor quality that the teacher couldn't make any determination of progress towards that standard. When you go to yellow, the emergent level, that is okay. Students are turning in their work, they're doing what they need to, but they're just not reaching the standard yet. They need to work on the standard as the year progresses. Then, as I said, green is proficient. That's what the students are aiming for. And blue is distinction or exceeds the standard. Each class that your child has will be listed on the report card, along with a HOW plus L grade. This example does not have that, as we didn't use those last year. But the HOW plus L grade is because we have separated behaviors from academics. And so the classes you see listed here are all academic classes. There will also be this other tracker, HOW, and that stands for Habits of Work and Learning. And so the students are graded on their habits of work separate from the academic standards in their classes this year. You have to remember that this is just a snapshot of your students' work. These grades change on a daily basis as teachers assess their students and log their assessments in their trackers. And so what you see on the report card that's featured here could look very different tomorrow or next week, according to what progress the student is making. You always want to check the parent portal online at masteryconnect.com to see the most current progress for your child.